Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at a custom 16-foot T6 6-inch channel equipment tilt trailer with a 15,680-pound GVWR. The beauty of the T6 is that it does not require any ramps or gates. The tilt deck uses a hydraulic cylinder with a proportioning valve, allowing you to effortlessly tilt the deck for loading and unloading. The T6 is available in lengths from 16 foot to 24 foot and features a 17-foot 2-inch tilting deck with an ultra-wide 82-inch inside fender width for wider equipment like skid steers. We're starting this trailer off with an HD 25,000-pound 2 5/16 gooseneck coupler with a 7-way plug with dual contacts. This coupler features a self-centering locking plate that speeds up hitching by giving you a 1-inch tolerance when lining up the ball. To help with faster hitching, we've equipped this trailer with 2 Pro Series 12K jacks with spring-loaded drop legs for easy retracting. Above the front locking toolbox, we've equipped this trailer with a 9,500-pound winch, complemented with the winch-roller at the front of the tilting deck. The T6 is built on a 6-inch channel frame with 3-inch channel crossmembers on 16-inch centers. And with an ultra-low 21-inch deck height and an 11-degree load angle, the T6 is perfect for small-wheeled equipment like scissor lifts and forklifts. For our running gear, we have 2 7K Dexter torsion axles paired with removable steel diamond plate fenders. The Torflex suspension features a forged torsion arm that reduces trailer flex while increasing trailer rigidity for heavier loads. At the rear of the trailer, we have a 30-inch diamond plate knife edge tail that complements the 11-degree load angle, making it easy to load low-clearance equipment. As always, you can check out more information on this trailer by going to pjtrailers.com, where you can find your closest dealer to help customize and order your next PJ trailer. Thanks, guys.